Probiotic drinks category is one of the fastest growing trends in functional food and beverages market due to increasing consumer demand for products made with natural beneficial ingredients, particularly those that contribute to gut health. Today's video discuss probiotic drinks benefits plus how to make your own.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Today there are several different types of probiotic drinks available in grocery stores. Dairy probiotic drink mainly kefir or drinkable yogurt. Kefir differs from yogurt because it's made with kefir grains and usually contains different strain of beneficial gut bacteria. Many studies have found that kefir has antimicrobial, antitumor, anticarcinogenic, immunomodulatory activity and also improves lactose digestion. Tea and fruit-based probiotic drinks, most of which are called Kombucha, made with tea, sugar and yeast. Kombucha is a good probiotic drink option for those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy. Best type of probiotic drinks: Kefir, drinkable yogurt, Kombucha, coconut kefir, probiotic infused water. Homemade probiotic drink recipe. Homemade kombucha recipe. You need 1 large glass or metal jar or bowl with a wide opening, 1 large piece of cloth or a dish towel, 1 scoopy disc, 8 cups of filtered or distilled water, half cup organic cane sugar or raw honey, 1 cup of pre-made kombucha. Directions: bring your water to boil in a big pot on the stove top. Once boiling, remove from heat and add your tea bags and sugar, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Allow the pot seat and the tea to steep for about 15 minutes, then remove and discard tea bags. Let the mixtures cool down to the room temperature. Once it cools, add your tea mixtures to your big jar or bowl. Drop in your squeeze disc and 1 cup of pre-made kombucha. Cover your jar or bowl with your cloth or thin kitchen towel and try to keep the cloth in place by using a rubber band or some sort of tie. You want the cloth to cover the wide opening the jar and stay in the place, but be thin enough to allow air to pass through. Allow it to sit for 7 to 10 days depending on the flavor you are looking for. Less time produces a weaker kombucha that tastes less so, while a longer sitting time makes a drink fermented even longer and develops more taste. Some people report fermenting it for up to a month before bottling with a great result. So test batch every couple of days to see if it reaches the right taste and level of carbonations for you. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.